So guys, this is a market just close to where we live, 300-400 meters. And there's so many food choices here. Oysters, fresh oysters. Look at all these different types of food. 35 baht for those sticks. And here, I don't know what this is. 70 baht. Korean fried chicken. Or different types of sausages. Oh, look at these shrimps. Wow. Baked shrimps with cheese. 199, 200 baht, which is 350 pesos. I don't know what small is. I think small is 3 of them. Is this small plate or big plate? Medium. So 250 or 299? Okay, that's a medium. 4 big shrimps. And you got coconut here. Hello.
Do you want me to get you an extra?
Juices. There's Mia. She's walking too fast for me. Tom tom soup. Mexican tacos. Wow, look at that. Hello. This is the seating area. Avocado. Milk? Never heard of that. Okay. Pork wonton. Oh, they have kebab. Wow. I think that's what I'll go for today. Nice. Smoothies. Pork satay. Cheese ball. Pad thai. Taiwanese burgers. Nice. Chicken. Honey baked chicken. There are the prices. So man, there's so much food here. There's Mia. We have salmon too. It looks like it. Grilled salmon. If that's your forte. I had salmon yesterday. I know this might sound weird to say, but one thing I've noticed here in Thailand, there's a lot less flies. I don't know why that is. Oh, there. Fish. Flies are always attracted to fish for some weird reason. Oh, look at this. This is like a Norwegian ribbe, we call it, that we have in Christmas. Mangoes. And this is the end. And then there's a band singing or playing instruments. Did you decide what you want, darling? Too many choices for you? You don't know what you want? So the first food stores we looked at, that's called Tamarind. And this one is called Cicada, and it's about 30 meters down the road on the opposite side. The food is a bit different and the prices are a bit different, so enjoy. So we ate at the Tamarind, and this is the food we had, and it costed us 780 pesos, which is roughly $16, I think. And we had 3 courses, and it was delicious, as well as a watermelon drink.